Introduction to the grape production process in a factory, the journey to the consumer. As early sunlight filters through rows of grapevines heavy with fruit, plump clusters shimmer with morning dew, signaling that harvest time has arrived. Grapes are thin-skinned, juice-rich, and delicate, which means their journey from vineyard to table demands a closed, precise, and carefully controlled process at every stage. Inside a modern factory, each cluster is handled with care to preserve freshness, natural color, and the grape's distinctive flavor. Scene 1. Grape harvesting. In vineyards, grapes are harvested entirely by hand. Workers use specialized shears to cut each cluster, handling them gently to prevent berries from falling or bruising. Only clusters at optimal physiological maturity, uniform berries, full size, and free of damage are selected and placed into shallow, ventilated harvest trays. Scene 2. Preliminary sorting at the farm. Immediately after harvest, grapes undergo preliminary sorting at the farm. Clusters that are bruised, cracked, pest-damaged, or uneven in size are removed. This step reduces transport losses and ensures consistent quality for the shipment. Scene 3. Rapid post-harvest cooling. Grapes are transferred promptly to rapid cooling areas. Early temperature reduction slows respiration, limits moisture loss, and preserves the fruit's crisp texture and natural sweetness. Scene 4. Packing and transportation. After cooling, grape trays are placed into specialized crates with ventilation and shock-absorbing liners. Refrigerated trucks begin the journey from vineyard to factory, maintaining a continuous cold chain, critical to grape quality. Scene 5. Raw material receiving at the factory. At the factory, grapes are weighed and logged with details of origin, harvest time, and transport conditions. Quality control staff perform a quick visual check before releasing the fruit into the processing line. Scene 6. Washing and cleaning. Grapes move onto stainless steel conveyor belts and enter automated washing systems. Clean water combined with gentle mist sprays removes dust, debris, and surface residues without damaging the berries. Scene 7. Automated sorting. After washing, grapes pass through automated sorting systems. Cameras and optical sensors assess cluster integrity, berry color, and size. Any product not meeting specifications is diverted from the line. Scene 8. Manual quality inspection. At the end of the sorting line, workers conduct a final manual inspection. Using experience and close observation, they remove clusters with subtle defects that machines may miss. Scene 9. Production line separation. At this point, grapes are directed according to their final use. Fresh, whole grapes for retail, stem-removed grapes, frozen grapes, grapes for juice, wine, jam, raisins, or puree. Each pathway follows a dedicated processing sequence. Scene 10. De-stemming for processed grapes. Grapes intended for processing enter automated de-stemming systems. The process is precisely controlled to separate berries without crushing them, preserving the fruit's structure. Scene 11. Anti-oxidation treatment. De-stemmed or cut grapes are briefly treated with approved anti-oxidation solutions to preserve natural color and prevent browning caused by air exposure. Scene 12. Rapid freezing or pressing/crushing. Grapes may enter rapid freezing systems to preserve cellular structure. Grapes intended for juice or wine are pressed or gently crushed under controlled temperature conditions to retain aroma and flavor. Scene 13. Filtration and texture adjustment. Grape juice or crushed grape products are filtered to remove skin, seeds, and coarse solids. Texture, sweetness, and color are adjusted according to product specifications. Scene 14. Pasteurization. Processed grape products undergo short-time pasteurization at precisely controlled temperatures. This step ensures microbiological safety while preserving the grape's natural sweetness and aroma. Scene 15. Aseptic packaging. Fresh grapes, frozen grapes, or processed grape products are packaged in clean, controlled environments. Filling and sealing machines operate with high precision to ensure accurate weight and airtight closure. Scene 16. Labeling and final inspection. Packages are labeled with production and expiration dates. Industrial vision systems inspect appearance, seal integrity, and fill volume, automatically removing non-conforming units. Scene 17. Storage and distribution. Finished products are transferred to chilled and cold storage. Temperature and humidity are continuously monitored before distribution to supermarkets, food retailers, and sales channels. Scene 18. Reaching the consumer. On store shelves, fresh grape clusters and grape-based products are displayed attractively. Consumers select them, take them home, and enjoy them, bringing the grape's long journey to its conclusion, from sunlit vineyards to everyday meals. From ripe grape clusters hanging quietly on the vine to carefully packaged products in the hands of consumers, the entire process reflects a balanced harmony between nature, skilled human care, and modern technology. It is not merely manufacturing, but a journey of preservation, protecting the grape's freshness, sweetness, and essence at every step, all the way to the consumer's table.